Tasty has challenged me. Oh my God, what is wrong with people? My tongue is going numb. To cook cachapas quietly, and if I'm too loud, there will be a punishment. No! And as it was going down, it was coming back. Tasty's quiet kitchen. Take 1. The whispering begins. I don't know exactly how to do this. This is my first time making cachapas, but I don't think it could be that hard. We'll see. First thing I'm gonna do, 1 egg. And it's all gonna go in this blender. How I'm gonna blend this without making noise, I have no idea. They've set me up. Okay, here we go. So, okay. I don't even know what the punishments are, but I'm nervous. No!
Do you know what it is?
I think that this is like hiking food, right?
Yes.
Like when you go hiking and you're like, I need something quick. I don't know. Guys, you're kidding.
You just add water.
Oh my
Just
God.
that water.
Okay, it doesn't smell bad, but it does look like corn puffs. Do I just get 1 corn puff ball? You hear that? It's crunchy. This is crazy. I definitely don't need water to wash that down. Now we're gonna do 2 cups of sweet yellow corn. Don't. Okay. They thought they would get me with this one. So we're just gonna throw the whole thing in there quietly. Does that sound nice? I feel like it would. Now we're gonna do a 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. So y'all can follow at home with the recipe. What? Why? What did I do wrong?
The corn, perfect. The little crack of the bag, it made it peak.
It set it off. Dang it. Who thought of this?
It was in the internet.
The internet is a crazy dark place sometimes. I'll give it a chance because maybe it looks so nasty. Like, whatever. Hey, wait a minute. I'm into it, actually. I like it. Crazy minds, but I like this one. This was not a punishment.
Cut.
You play a medical student in Netflix new drama Pulse. Did you watch medical dramas growing up?
I did not. But once I booked this, I started watching medical dramas. And I started watching ER and Grey's Anatomy. And I became obsessed. I love them. Now we're going to do a 1/4 cup corn flour. This is not just any corn flour, okay? My Latinas know it needs to be harina pan. It cannot be anything else. Are there no scissors? Thank you. The tape is not gonna play me like it did with that flour. God, I'm shaking. This is so nerve-wracking. Dang it! Final boss, sour. I love sour candy. So again, this is not a punishment. Okay. Ooh, it's a real freaking strawberry. Ooh, can you take it? Let's see. Mmm. 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 This is amazing.
Cut.
When you were younger, did you have a punishment that your parents gave you that you hated? I was really bad eating. I just wouldn't eat even as a baby. I just like to eat little by little. And my parents literally thought something was gonna happen. Like I was gonna get sick or something. And they'd be like, you need to finish this. We're gonna put a timer on the microwave. And if you don't finish it by the time the timer's up, you're gonna be in big trouble. And I was like, but I just don't want to eat it. Guess that. That's like the weirdest thing I could think of. This is gonna be easy. Salt and sugar. The best thing about cachapas is the sweetness mixed with the saltiness of the cheese. And now we're gonna pour the water. Half a cup of water. Okay, we're doing good. This is the part had to stop it. These I hate. I hate these stupid jelly beans. What is even in this? Jalapeno, sriracha, cayenne, habanero, Carolina Reaper. Okay, let's see which one I selected. I think I selected the least spicy one. It's like literally stuck in my tooth. Like, ew, who buys this? Hell no. That was sriracha? That's the green one?
Is it spicy?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's try the spiciest one.
You sure?
I mean, whatever. Let's see. Like, I'm already doing it. Oh. Oh my god. That was really stupid. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. What is wrong with people? My tongue is going numb. I actually love milk. Oh yeah. Back to cooking. Every time I whisper now, I feel like my breath is fiery smoke. We're gonna just put it in this bowl. Quietly. Come on now. Ah, yeah. Oh my god, can you hear that? Oh my god. Damn, she's thick. Now we're gonna cook the cachapa like a little pancake. So first we're gonna get the oil our pan so it doesn't stick. This is embarrassing. No, don't press it. Are you kidding me? Buffalo wing soda. I don't even like soda. Y'all get your fixins. Love it. Okay. What? Neon orange drink. Jesus Christ. Girl, this is orange soda. Stop it. Did you hear that? The okay.
Cut.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate yourself in the kitchen?
Damn. In the kitchen. I don't want to toot my own horn or whatever, but I think I do pretty okay. I would give my mom a 10. So if my mom is a 10, maybe I'm a 7.5.
Decent.
I just said I was a 7.5, so I don't want to embarrass myself right now. She's looking golden. Oh my god, no. Okay. Here we go. Ah, look at that. Let's go, girl. I'm a chef. Like, what? Now, the best part, the cheese. There we go. Now give it a second for it to melt. I was doing so good. What is going on? Like, what? Okay. It's just gonna be a big mush. Okay. Wait a minute.
No. You can spit it out. What was it? The texture? The ketchup?
Oh my god. You know what? I thought it was okay, and then as it was going down, it was coming back. You know, it was like, nope. It was definitely a texture thing. It's soggy bread, mushy banana. I don't even like bananas. I tried it for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now I'm gonna try what I actually made. I think the cheese should be melted, and if not, who cares? I'm gonna eat it anyway. This is what I would have my dad buy me in Miami for breakfast. So I feel like I'm at home. That was so cute. Let's try our cachapa together. I hope I won't mess this up. Okay, here we go.
So what do you think? This is your first time making cachapas.
It's easier than I thought. I think I'll try to make it at home.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, I did. I had so much fun. The sour punishments, love them. Spicy ones, hated that, hated it. I think I would rank banana hot dog at the bottom, but it's really tied with that disgusting jelly bean situation. Number 1, I don't even remember what it was called, the strawberries. Oh my God, delicious. Oreos, honestly, were good. Yeah, I would do it again. I really would.
We'll have you back anytime.
Oh my God, I love it.